Hi, Bob here. So you're looking for the best garage door services? Well, you need professional garage door services. A professional, not some bloke in a ute who tells you he is an expert. These guys are experienced in the garage door industry for years. Professional garage door services. They can repair or service any garage door. Remote controls. Hey, and broken springs are their specialty. They carry stock on board, so we can make and fit your new springs the same day. So what are you waiting for? Give them a call and get them on the job now. Don't forget to tell them Bob sent you, so you get the best price.